Honda City versus Toyota Vios quick comparison. So simulan natin sa price. Mas mura si Toyota Vios, siguro around 50,000 to 100,000. Depende sa variant. Next is yung fuel economy. Obviously, mas mura mas matipid si Toyota Vios because most of the Vios is 1.3. Honda City is 1.5, so there's a huge difference. Not really huge, but there's a difference with the engine size. Kaya mas matipid si Toyota Vios. But again, depende pa rin sa driving habits nyo yan. Sometimes, ang difference lang naman ng City tsaka ng Vios is around 2 to 4 kilometers per liter. Depende sa driving habits nyo yan kung magaling kayo kung mag-engine brake or hindi kayo gigil umapak. Next sa comparison is yung power and speed. Obviously, mas lamang si Honda City. Mas malakas yung horsepower niya. Horsepower is yung tulin ng kotse nyo, and yung torque, mas mataas din ng torque ni Honda City. Dito papasok yung mga akyatan niya sa Baguio. But again, the difference is minimal lang. But kung ako pipiliin, Honda City is mas mabilis, mas malakas yung hatak. Next is yung NVH, which is yung very important sa akin. NVH, dito papasok yung noise, vibration, harshness. Dito papasok yung mga tagtag, yung mga pumapasok na ingay, yung mga road noise. Yan, for me, mas lamang si Honda City. Less yung road noise na pumapasok sa kanya, less tagtag, mas firm yung ride, mas quiet. Yeah, overall, mas maganda sa loob ng Honda City. Mas ma-appreciate mo yan pag nasakyan mo yan. And kasi nasakyan ko yung Vios siya yung Honda City. And I obviously noticed na mas maganda yung NVH feel ni Honda City. Next is maintenance cost. So obviously mas mura si Toyota Vios i-maintain. Dito na papasok yung kasabihan na yung parts availability ni Vios is number 1 talaga. Kumbaga kahit masiraan ka nga daw sa bundok, merong parts ka na mabibili. Mura siya, available everywhere. And again, Honda City is the same. Japanese car, but tagal na rin sa circulation. So kahit saan naman parts or location makakabili ka rin ng Honda City. But in general, mas mura ang maintenance cost ni Vios. Like for example, pag nagpagawa ka, siguro gagastos ka ng 5,000 sa Vios, and sa Honda City gagastos ka ng around 6,000 to 6,500. That's the difference, very minimal. Hindi naman deal breaker yung difference for me. Next sa comparison is yung resale value. So kung katulad ko na hindi naman nagtatagal sa'yo yung kotse, like gusto mo kasing madrive yung iba-iba, and gagamitin mo lang siya na for couple of months, couple of years, then plan mo na rin ibenta. So sa resale value, mas lamang si Toyota Vios. Actually, akala ko nga si Honda City yung panalo, but Toyota Vios is still number 1 when it comes to resale value. So yun, mas lamang sa resale value sa Toyota Vios. But again, not in huge gap. Parehas silang Japanese car, parehas silang reliable. Dito sa Pilipinas kasi may stigma na Toyota is Toyota, Honda is Honda, but Toyota is more reliable and mas mataas talaga yung resale value. Overall winner, the answer will depends on your priorities kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng trip sa kotse. Yung iba gusto habol is yung reliability, parts availability, yung mura yung ownership. They will choose Toyota Vios obviously. But for me personally, my priorities are NVH, driving feels, driving experience, and most importantly is yung looks. Hindi ko na sinama yung looks sa comparison because subjective siya, but for me, pipiliin ko yung Honda City because of looks. Kasi araw-araw ko to i-drive, ako magdadala nito, kumbaga syempre magpipicture-picture din ako sa kotse ko. Mas gusto ko yung looks ni Honda City. Hindi naman din ganun kalaki yung difference ni Honda City kay Toyota Vios compare sa fuel economy, cost of ownership, tsaka yung price obviously. Kaya Honda City ang pipiliin ko. Kumbaga pwede kong ibaliwala yung lamang ni Vios sa fuel economy, yun nga, tsaka sa maintenance cost. Kasi i-drive ko tong kotse, ipapark ko to sa bahay. Siyempre mas gusto ko na yung pinili kong kotse is gusto ko yung itsura. So yan lang guys, sana nakatulong ako sa pagbili nyo ng kotse. Overall, both are good cars, both are reliable, both are cheap to maintain kasi B segment lang naman na sedan to. Hindi siya katulad ng mga SUV or yung mga bigger cars na mahal i-maintain. Fuel economy, again, fuel economy is number 1 sa mga B segment. Small cars lang to. Hindi naman to kakain or magmumumog talaga ng mga gasoline. That's why I choose Honda City even mas lamang si Vios sa fuel economy, sa maintenance cost, etc. So sa looks lang talaga ako nagkatalo. So that's the comparison between Toyota Vios and Honda City. Follow for more.